Oh, come on. Oh, you made it. I can't believe this. Well, I tried. I meant we tried. Go ahead, take your paycheck. You're only getting $2 an hour. So, why do you bother? Huh? What's it for? Go on, just enjoy your life. I don't care. I give up. Okay, I got it. I'll calm down now. I still didn't get to eat your flesh. Dang it. Wow, you really are quite a nice guy, aren't you? You really are nice. I thought we could trust you, but clearly we couldn't. Why do I even bother? This is so stupid. I can't believe I agreed to doing this. I mean, we're such good people. But why do we get to deserve this? He'd be so nice. We're saying like, "Oh, kids, welcome. We don't worry, we won't hurt you because we're nice people." But at night, we still stuck like this. I just can't. I can't. Come on. You seriously think that we're gonna be able to stop it? Stop being ourselves? No, we can't. Because we're stuck like this. Go ahead. Go and try to enjoy your life. I don't care. I really do not care.